Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. If you are coming to the world of Commodore and you have Commodore 64 power supplies that you do not trust and you do not know if they are happy or not, then I would say bring them. I will be at a table and hopefully we'll have power and we can plug them into Rudy's little meter and check the 5-volt side, which is critical. Because if it's high, it's bad. If it's low, it's bad. If it's just right, it's kind of like Goldilocks. So feel free to bring your power supply there. We'll test them and see what's what. And if you want to cut the cords, we can cut the cords. If not, that's fine. At least we'll know, are they safe to use? Because you see, these ends here, I've never had great success sticking a meter in there without causing trouble. I have not. And of course, you can always test them by plugging them into a 64, but if it's bad, you'll kill it. And that is not good. So, if you have a power supply for the 64, or I guess the Vic-20 that has the same DIN plugs, the round plugs, bring it to the World of Commodore, and we'll see. Until then, have a lovely day, and we'll see you at the World of Commodore, November 30th and December 1st, 2024, at the Admiral Inn. Go to tpug.ca for more details. Retro Rewind will be there. Rudy will be there. I will be there. Lots of legendary Commodore people will be there. And, and that's for Rudy, from what I understand. He is coming for sure on Sunday to do his talk. He may not be there on Saturday, but he will, when he comes, he will have pet companions. And I think he's now got 6 because I think 2 have sold. What is the pet companion? It's a board that you plug in the back of the pet that gives you a video output and an audio output, so you can display it on a monitor like this or other things. And there is also, with some other adapter, an HDMI option. A beautiful thing. He worked on it for a very long time, and it's good. I will be using it more and more. I shall. So that's it. That's all. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.